अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और अपनी सेहत एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे. आई एम गुड एज वेल, थैंक यू सो मच. So today's topic is about party lashes. What are party lashes for? Party lashes are the lashes which last for one party or one function, and you can't get it done in your home. You need to go to professional salon or the beauty therapist to get your party lashes done. They come in like in medium and in long sizes. So as you can see, they come in different sizes, and they come in short size as well, and it always depends on client's own lashes. आपको इस बात का मेक श्योर करना पड़ेगा कि जो क्लाइंट की लैशेज हैं या आप जिसके ऊपर लैशेज अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, दे शुड नॉट बी लॉन्गर देन देम. अगर किसी की जो लैशेज है वो बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्ट है और they're trying to get it done for the first time, so just try on with the short lashes. Don't ever put longer right away. And short lashes are easy to hold, easy to carry on, and they last for about one function or party. But if you look after them really well, they can last about 2 weeks as well. So it depends on how good your therapist is. So basically they come in short, long and medium sizes. So what you need to do is you need to start applying the if client has got shorter lashes, you start applying medium on the sides, medium here, then comes short and then short, medium, short and short. If client has long lashes and they want a really dramatic look or glamorous look, you can start with the longer, medium and then shorter one. Always start with the longer here, medium here and shorter over here, and always look about the size of the client's own lashes, because you don't want to end up falling them off once you put them on. If the client lashes are short and you're gonna put the longer on, they're not gonna last longer. So try to estimate first the client's own lashes, if it's short, medium or large size. So it depends the size of client's eyelashes if you're gonna go ahead with the longer or shorter. So I'm gonna show off on this model how to do party lashes. Right, so I'm going to show you the things which I'm going to use for the party lashes. So there is one glue. I have two kinds of glue. This one is a wee bit thicker and this one is a wee bit thinner. So I'm going to use any of them, and then you need 2 eye patches, 1 tweezers, 1 scissors, then you need a cotton bud, Vaseline, and you need a ring for the glue. So I'm just going to put ring on my thumb like this. And then I'm gonna put some glue on top of this. Just shake the glue. Okay, and then I'm gonna pick up the lashes. So I'm gonna do the medium for her, so you're just gonna hold like this. So you need to put the Vaseline on this cotton pad, just so the lower lash doesn't stick onto the upper lashes. So you just put Vaseline on here, and then you put this patch to keep the lower lashes away from the top one. Alright, like this. So you just do this on both, and I'm just gonna do, and the Vaseline would keep this stick on the skin like this. So just keep, so Vaseline works here like a glue over here. Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna start up the lashes. So always make sure you start with the longer one. If client has got longer lashes, you start with the longer lashes. If they have short lashes, start with the medium ones. So I'm just gonna take 1 medium lash. So I'm just gently pull it away, and then I'm gonna stick it into the glue like this. I'm gonna stick it to the glue like this. Should not be enough. So you just scroll over the lash and then gently put it on the lashes. If it's not sticking on, that means you need to clean your tweezers. Okay, so always use your tweezer clean, and keep cleaning in between the applying of lashes. Then again take one and then dip it in the lashes like this, and again put right next to the next one. Just give it a 1 stroke and then apply this here, and then slightly tap it. Once you have put the lashes on the, once you have put the fake lashes on the client's own lashes, don't press it too hard or it's going to stick under to the lower lashes. So gently leave them here, and then you can, once you are done with the lashes, you can tap them all at the end. So gently put it away. See if you get the lashes. If you pick up the lashes and the one gets separated, just leave it away. And if lashes turns out to be like this, do not use it. I'm just going to show it, leave it here. If the lashes stand up like this, do not use this one. And then I'm going to apply the next one to the next. Right, so I have finished almost one eye. So you can see here it looks so beautiful. So always, if you think, always like work out, if you're gonna apply the lashes medium long, always mix up with long and medium and short, just to make it look natural. And if you, by plucking out lashes from this to this, if your lashes turns out to be like this, do not use them, because they're gonna come off so quick. So you can see the difference in both. This is without lashes and this is with lashes. And once they are done, so once one eye is done, you just need to, what you need to do is, so you just slightly lift up the lashes like this, lift up the lashes, and then press it with this like this, and this way they last even longer. So do it with the this like this, and then tap it, and you could see the clear results. There you go. So one is done with the party lashes. I have mixed long and medium both. You can mix whatever you want. So always use the shorter one in the inner corners and longer one, and longer on the sides, and medium in the middle one. So here I have used longer, medium, and short. So you can do the rest of the same. And when it comes to take them off, do not pull them off yourself if you're getting it done from the salon. So you need to go back to salon to take them off. And I usually use this individual lash remover. Just put it on this cotton bud and just slightly rub it on the lashes, and it would come off right away. And that's it. They look really nice, glamorous. There are so many other kinds of lashes as well, which you can apply, but this one is the quickest and temporary one. You can take them off, or they come off by themselves. There is another kind of lashes as well, which is individual ones, and I will show you the individual ones, how they look like. They come in a pack of this and this. They come in different sizes, so they are called the individual ones. I will do the next tutorial about this individual ones. They're so beautiful, and these one look so natural as well, right? And they come in different sizes here. Okay, so that's our video ends over here. I hope you liked today's tutorial. If you have any questions, just don't forget to ask me, and please subscribe to my channel, Neerms Beauty Hub, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.